Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur, and today I wanted to teach you guys how to get a job on LinkedIn. So, I've been getting a lot of questions lately on how do I get a job on LinkedIn, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to get one for free. That means you do not need Career Navigator, you do not need any special paid features of LinkedIn, which seems to consume a lot of people's finances, and ultimately, how to have people start reaching directly to you to start looking for your future job. That could be recruiters, that could be companies, that could be talent acquisition specialists, anything like that. I'm going to teach you guys how to clean up your profile and get your profile exactly where you want it to be. That way, you could start getting job offers on a regular basis, and ultimately, you can find a new job completely in your own time and doing it, in my opinion, the most lackadaisical way possible with the highest level of return out there. I know that might seem crazy, but in the video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm pointing over to my computer, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that, how to clean up your profile and everything like that, and ultimately what you want to say, how to craft it. That way, you guys can really start to get those high quality leads that you really want for potential jobs. So join me right now. In this video, like I said, I'm going to teach you guys how to get a job on LinkedIn or how to find a job on LinkedIn, right? So don't worry about my notifications. I have a bunch of stuff going on at the moment. In this video, I want you guys to just purely take away how to get a job on LinkedIn. It is so critically important. First things first, sign in, go over to your profile, the view profile. Now, in here, don't worry about anything. I'm going to make videos on all of this at a later date. But right now, you want to go down to your dashboard. This is probably one of the most important things. First thing, the bare minimum, you need to be all-star status. If you don't know how to do all-star status or get to all-star status, watch it in one of my past videos. I promise you it's there. It is absolutely the most important thing you could probably do for your profile right away, right off the bat. It is so important. It helps the algorithm. It helps people find you. It really helps potential people to connect with you. And ultimately, LinkedIn favors people with all-star profiles. If you do not have an all-star profile, it doesn't matter what you learn in this video, it's not going to be as tremendous of a benefit as possible. So right off the bat, go down to your career interests right here. You're going to select that. Now, this is where you're going to plug in all of your information to allow recruiters to start reaching out to you. Now, this allows for recruiters, this allows for talent acquisition specialists, anything like that. This is the spot that you're going to need to put it into. Now, this is what I did in my old profile when I was looking for a job before I started my own business. You have to absolutely turn this on. Now, always considering new opportunities, let recruiters know if they should reach out to you, where you're at, what you're looking for, anything like that. This is exactly where you're going to put it, because this is the message that recruiters are going to be able to see when they're on LinkedIn and when they're looking for potential fits for jobs that they have. Recruiters make money by getting people in new jobs and new roles, so why not give them what they're asking for, just like they have it in here, right? Give them as much information as you possibly can. Let them know exactly what you're looking for, all that kind of stuff. That way they can pair you with the best possible job. Now, mind you, 300 characters, all right? Can't be too long. You're not writing an essay. This is just a note for the recruiter. Where are you in search? Actively applying, casually looking, not looking, but open to offers, not open to offers. You need to be as accurate as humanly possible, because this is where the recruiters are going to see in your information. For example, if you're casually looking, they might only bring you a job that they think is going to be a perfect fit. But if you're actively applying, they're going to start to feed you more and more jobs that may be a good fit for you. But if you really want to leave your job, you might come across a job that you might not want all that bad, but at least it gets you out of a really bad job. Not looking, but open to offers, and then not open to offers. What job titles are you considering? Think about your existing job title and either add one step above it, maybe even 2 steps above it, or do a lateral swap where you're going from sales to sales, maybe sales to sales manager, sales director, CTO, project manager, anything like that. That's what I did. Now, where would you like your next job to be located? Take time out to add these. Now, these were my old ideas. This is what I wanted, all right? I'm open to working remotely, absolutely. You should always be willing to work remotely. I don't see why you wouldn't want to. You get the flexibility and all that kind of good stuff. Near my home, no preferences. It's totally up to you. It's going to just ask you all of these different things. And then what types of jobs are you looking for? Full-time, contract, part-time, internship, volunteer, or temporary, right? That is super important to fill these out as accurately as you can, because you might get a part-time job offer that you might be able to turn into full-time. You might get a full-time job offer that you can't work full-time. You have to take the time out to put the accurate information there. Now, I'm going to turn this off solely for the fact that I'm not looking for a job right now. Once you turn that on, you hit save, you're good. Now you're going to go up to jobs, right? It gave me a little option. And this is where you're going to find your dream job. Start searching for dream jobs, whatever it is. Now, I'll do sales executive. Why not? I'll go through it with you. I think it's important. Right here, boom. It's going to start rolling through all of the jobs that they have open. These are promoted people. These companies are paying to be up here, all right? 3 alumni work here. I'm going to teach you guys in another video how to leverage your contacts, how to connect with different people, and different things like that are ultimately going to allow you to grow your business, right? Look at this. There's a sales executive at Pandora. That's pretty cool. I never would have thought that was a job. Now, at Abacus, it's going to tell you exactly what they're looking for. You may or may not be a good fit for them. Tells you where it's located, all of that information. Skills, it's as accurate as humanly possible. Now, you can follow, you can see more. In here, you're going to be able to reach out to somebody directly, easy apply, anything like that. When I say reach out to somebody, go to 3 alumni that work here, right? Anthony Biondo, Salma Kay, Chelsea, I don't even know how to say that one. But those are people that you could reach out to and say, hey, by the way, do you have any pull in this field or in this company? That way I could get the job. I know that we're connected through XYZ thing. It could be a school, it could be an organization, anything like that. Take the time out to put as much information in there as you can. Really let them know why you're connecting with them and that you look forward to trying out the position. But go through. This is as easy as I can explain it. Jobs, you're going to sort by most recent and most relevant. Dates posted, right? It's going to tell you when it was recently posted. LinkedIn features in your network, easy apply, under 10 applicants. Under 10 applicants, you got a pretty good shot at getting the job, honestly. Company, right? Add a company in here. And then experience level, internship, whatever you're looking for. Take the time out, add as much information as you can in here, and you're going to be able to start seeing all of that information, right? So we're going to go back to jobs up here. And whatever you're looking for, take the time to add this information in there. Where are you in your job search? The more information you give LinkedIn, the better as far as getting you a job. Take your time out. I promise you, you can find a job on here. I know tons of people that have done it already. I will give you full disclosure. I haven't, but I know exactly how to do it. I only didn't do it because I started my company, and that is the exact reason as to why I did this. So don't think like, oh, he didn't do it. No, I've walked people through this process. I just left and started my own business as opposed to got a job on here. But I did exactly what I just showed you all, but I didn't accept the offer that I got at the end. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in this next part. Alrighty, guys. I hope that was super helpful. I know there's probably some things in there that I taught you that you may or may not have known. I am super happy to hear that. Just make sure at the end of this video you do 2 things. 1, you have to make sure that you put on the ability for recruiters to reach out to you. And 2, you absolutely positively need to smash that subscribe button. That is absolutely going to potentially increase the chance that you're going to get a job. But also, you never want to miss the chance to watch another video. Hit that little bell because I'm going to keep giving you guys tips and tricks on how to master LinkedIn and how to get those jobs, how to get those salaries, and how to make sales online. I promise you guys it's super effective, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys there.